Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how you can change your region in Valorant, and this is how you go about it. You'll go to your default browser. As you can see, this is my default browser, and you need to make sure that you log in your account. Okay, so you need to hit here support. You need to hit support here, and it should give you a window like this. After you see this window, you'll go scroll down up to where you find submit a ticket. You're going to press on this and you're going to spread on Valorant. Now you'll be taken to this window here. All you need to do is to scroll down here and scroll and select account management rather. Yes, and let's wait for it to open another window. So you are going to select here the preferred item that you are using. For mine is a PC. Subject, you're going to type in change region. You're going to select your inquiry here, account as account management, and you select your inquiry here. Need help in changing of region, country assigned to account. Okay, then you describe your problem here. You can describe your problem, and then all you need to do is to fact check. For this to fact check, you need to make sure that you have turned on your location. And after that, all you need to do is to just submit your email and they will sort you out. And that is simply how you fix the region in Valorant. And they will, when the system comes in place, they will fix your system. And that is exactly how you go about it. If you found this content useful, consider subscribing for more content.